ball to Kuya JR. Hawakan. Candy. Manong JR on the drive. Going fast. Going alone. Taking a shot. Good. Manong Abel. Driving. Feeling the breeze. Alright. On Pojan. By himself. Good. Son. Rebound with Efren. Hawakan on himself. By himself. All good. Okay, reset ka no, reset. Pasa ka ni Harrison. Harrison takes a jumper. Good. Kuya Arnel, pasa na kan Manuel Abel. Passer Joseph. Dribbling. Takes a shot. Tong, tong, tong. Good. Harrison with the rebound. Pass break to Manu Abel. Manu Abel fumbles. Manu Abel shoots. Harrison takes another shot. Good. Going alone. No good. Josh. JR. Good. Pass to Na. Na. Tumira. Wala. Na. Follow up. Good. Even. Pass break to Na. Na. With a shot. Good. Iman. Iman with the rock. Fumbles. Passes to Na. Na with a shot. Good. Josh alone with a three. No good. Rebound by Florante. Florante with the reverse. Good, intercepted by Efren. All by himself. Going alone with a dunk. Oh, it's not a dunk. It's a layup. Josh driving the ball. Passes to number 14 with a shot. And it's good. Josh with a drive. Josh passes to number 14. Number 14, good again. Gets the go ahead. Josh takes a shot. Good. Intercepted by Josh. Josh drives. Josh drives. Josh takes a shot. Blocked by Na. Good block. Na drives again. Passes to Kuya Abel. Kuya Abel by himself. Good shot with the ball. Pass break to Iman. Iman drives. Passes to Na. Na passes to Iman. Iman takes a shot. Good. Florante with the ball. Florante alone. Florante takes a shot. No good. Efren follow up. Good. Time remaining 6 minutes and 20 seconds in the second quarter. Emon with the 3 points. Bang bang kano. Passes to Florante. Florante with the rock. Passes to Efren. Efren alone takes a shot. Good. Strongman move. Florante with the ball. Passes to Josh with the 3. Good. 3 points. Paul with the rebound. Bang bang. Passes to Florante. Florante takes a shot. Good. Passes slow. Na with the layup. Good. Harrison counted foul. 16 seconds to the second quarter. Passes to Florante. Florante drives. Takes a shot. And it's good. Rebound. Na going ahead. Na with a drive. Na going strong. Na takes a shot. Mabilis ang pagbaba. Pinasa kay Josh. Andun si Josh. Tumira si Josh. Ayun, pasok. Umararo. Inararo kapwa. Kuya Abel. Follow up. Romeno. Pinasa kay Franklin. Franklin. Mira. Good. That guy drives. Lays up. Harrison follows up. No good. Florante rebounds with Harrison. Harrison with the ball. Harrison with the shot. Harrison is intercepted. Harrison to Iman. Iman shoots a layup. Second charity, kulang. Rebound again by the shooter. Kuya JR with a follow-up. Harrison fast break to Iman. Iman shoots the 3. And it's good. With the ball. Passes to Kuya JR. Kuya JR to Mike. Tumira. Pumasok. Lost the ball. Pass break to Kuya JR. Kuya JR going fast. Lay up. And it's good. Tala ng bola. Emon with the 3 points. And it's good. We are tied at 66. Efren, nag-drive. Kuya JR, Romive din, tumira. Good! Eman gets the ball. Passes to Kuya Bell. Kuya Bell thinks about it, shoots the 3, and it's good! Kuya JR, wala. Florante, offensive rebound. Florante, follow-up shot, it's good. Efren with the ball. Pasa kay Josh. Josh, thought about it, takes a 3. All good, 3 points. Joseph with a shot, no good. Florante with a shot, wala. Offensive rebound pa rin, takes a shot. Foul counted. Resets, passes to Efren. Efren, Romive, sinut, pumasok. Foul counted. Pass to Joseph, rebound. Pasa ka ni Iman, fast break. Takes a shot, good. Iman, sizing up, looking for a pass. Iman takes a shot, Iman shoots. Nasa kay Florante sa gitna. Florante shumut, pumasok. Good. Rebound by number 29. Hawakan, takes a shot. Good. 6 minutes to the quarter. Kuya Bell with a layup. Minutes 35 seconds to the third quarter. Florante with the 3 points. Good. Nat with the ball. Passes to Arnel. Arnel drives, takes a shot. Good. Eman passes to First Charity. Good. Pasok ang pangalawang dribble, pinasa kay Josh. Josh tumira ng 3 puntos. Pasok po, sumasaksak, going fast. Passing to JR. JR with a shot, good. To JR. JR going fast. JR alone. JR takes a shot. JR is good. Eman takes a shot. As usual. Florante, nice cut in. Harrison, 10 to shoot. Manuel Bell for 3, all good. JR strips it. JR takes a shot. It's good. Three points, Apo. Nasa kay Hawakan, JR. Foul. 8 seconds remaining. First shot. It's good. 73-74. It's good. All side. Eight seconds remaining. We are tied at 74. Blue ball. Okay. Blue is on penalty. 5, 4. 3 seconds. Wait. Time out. Three. Three, 2, 1. Overtime tayo.
Grabe yun. Overtime. Nice game. Jampol. Kasi nakalabas ako. Ayaw, may pa-TikTok na naman tayo dyan.
Florante. Kante again, drives, lays up. Good. Pass break to Efren. Efren drives, lays up. It's good. Oh, JR. Positions himself, takes a shot, and it's good. Bring it down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good game. The best player with 26 points. Pastor JR Caput.
Best player of the game.